Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is another circular which is released by CBSE. Date, as you can see, this is released on 21st December 2021. Okay, circular number is also given here 128/2021, and this has been sent to all the heads of the school affiliated with CBSE. And what is this about? This is in regard to the online courses on Indian Constitution. Okay, so in short, if I talk to you, so CBSE is providing online courses on the Indian Constitution, and for this purpose, those who are interested, they have to go through the particular website which has been given here, and I will share with you guys that website. Okay, first have a look at the notice or the circular, what it is saying it is. Okay, subject, as I already told you, this is for online courses on the Indian Constitution. As a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, as you know that government is celebrating that Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration, an online course on the Indian Constitution has been launched by whom? By the Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India. On 25th November 2021, this was launched on the eve of the Constitution. The online course aims, now what is this aim, is that to create awareness about the Indian Constitution and subsequently strengthen the citizen of the country. Alright, so this way your knowledge about the Indian Constitution will increase. And why this course is useful for the students? Because with the help of this course you will come to know a lot many things about the Indian Constitution, which very often these kind of things are asked in exam also, from competitive exam point of view. Right? So the online course is offered by the Department of Legal Affairs, Ministry of Laws and Justice, in collaboration with the National Academy of the Legal Studies and Research, okay, University of Law, Hyderabad. Further guys, it says that the registration of this course is free. The best part, that you don't have to pay single penny for it. Okay, once the candidate registered for the online course on this website, okay, and here is the website given here, as you can see in this blue color over here, right? That is https://legalaffairs.nalsar.ac.in. Okay, and they will be granted access to the 15 conceptual videos. Okay, then once you register, then you will get access to the 15 conceptual videos. Okay, that will help the participant of the course to get familiarized with the text of the Constitution and to identify the fundamental policy choices embodied in the Constitution. In addition, the course offers insight into the historical evaluation. Not only this, but it also offers, it says, historical evaluation and the post-independence journey of the making of the Constitution. Means after independence, what had happened, what changes take place, what not, that all you will come to know. Okay, historical as well as the post-independence. Further, it says that on completion of the course, see, you are going to get a certificate also. It is mentioned a certificate of participant will be automatically generated, and candidates who want to obtain the certificate of merit or certificate of appreciation will have to go through an online assessment at a token of ₹100. Okay, so that certificate will not be free of cost. For that you have to register, and then you need to pay ₹100 for that. Okay, but the certificate is purely optional. Those who want to take, they can take, and if it is not required, you don't think that there is any need of that certificate, so don't take the certificate. Okay, at least you can learn. Okay, further it says all the school heads are requested to disseminate, means to spread the above information amongst all the students, teachers and stakeholders. Okay, even the stakeholders means those who take interest in the school. Okay, maybe the parents or someone else, for their participation in this endeavor. Okay, and as you can see, here is the signature of your Dr. Joseph Eminel, Director of Academics. Alright guys, so this is all about the circular. Okay, and I wish you a good day ahead to all of you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.